Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, east central Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of Oostburg to near Cambria, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Port Washington, Jackson, Mayville, Slinger, Soapville, Kewaskum, Horicon, Juneau, Belgium, Fredonia, Randon Lake, Theresa, Newburgh, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Burnett, and Addison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloudy ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh, that was cool.